Car insurance for high-risk drivers. In a moment, you'll discover the single biggest mistake people make while shopping for car insurance for high-risk drivers, and how exactly to get the cheapest auto insurance rate that is available to you. The number one mistake made, while shopping for car insurance, is approaching only the companies that are most heavily advertised. The first insurance company that comes to mind is not necessarily the one that will offer you the best rate. The single most critical factor in getting a cheaper car insurance rate is shopping around for as many quotes as you can. Why? Because different insurance companies charge different rates for the same coverage. In addition, insurance companies' competitiveness differ tremendously by customer location. Only by obtaining several quotes that are specific to your situation and location, you will be really able to discover the cheapest rate that is available to you. How many quotes? Go for at least 4 quotes from different insurers. Less than that will not do the job. Now, usually shopping around for 4 quotes can be a tedious and time-consuming task, but we will make it here much easier for you. In a moment we'll reveal to you a little trick we use to weed out the more expensive insurers and discover exactly which is the cheapest auto insurance provider for your specific location. High-risk car insurance is reserved for a class of drivers who are deemed by insurers to be more of a financial risk. These drivers aren't necessarily considered bad drivers, but they're more expensive to insure due to their records, which usually contain anything from moving violations, at-fault accidents, DUI, or a combination of these. Finding insurance for high-risk drivers can be challenging, but it's not impossible. High-risk auto insurance is a special type of policy that's reserved for drivers who have a less than stellar driving record. These policyholders are labeled high risk because they're considered more likely to cause an accident. There are a few different reasons why a person might need a high-risk car insurance policy. Most companies have 3 main categories they look at. Inexperienced drivers. Young drivers or those who have just received their licenses are considered inexperienced and thus a higher risk. Drivers with multiple infractions. While one infraction won't drive up the risk, having multiple traffic violations, or at-fault accidents in a short period of time, can lead to being labeled high risk. Drivers with poor credit. Drivers who have a poor credit history and score are often put in the high-risk category, as they're considered more likely to file a claim. There are a few considerations that insurance companies evaluate when determining your driving risk. The most important factor is your actual driving record. Those who have at-fault accidents, driving infractions or DUI on their records, will automatically be considered a higher risk. A clean driving record, however, means a lower premium. Your commute, whether to work or school, is factored in as well. The longer you drive one way, the more chances you have to get into an accident. The make of your vehicle is another consideration, because the belief is that someone driving a sports car is more likely to drive recklessly than someone driving a minivan with a family inside. Your age and marital status also play into the insurance quote. The younger the driver, the more inexperienced they are considered to be. A married person is considered to be more responsible than a single person. Many insurance companies, though not all, have insurance policies for high-risk drivers. Since your risk is typically assessed using your driving record, you'll likely have to shop around and see which company offers the best rates and coverage. Now, as promised, here is a simple trick we utilize to get the cheapest car insurance available. To discover the cheapest car insurance rate that is available to us, we use this free service, toll-free, at 855-981-7528. This is a free by-phone service that specializes in locating the cheapest car insurance rates. They perform the tedious task of shopping around, and present you with the cheapest auto insurance provider for your location. We call this service every year before our car insurance expires. It allows us to discover whether there is a cheaper car insurance rate than ours, and has saved us lots of money over the years. And best of all, it's completely free.
Thank you for watching. Please like this video.